My curls are my strength.
My waves are my courage.
My coils are my confidence.
And natural is how I feel powerful.
My thick hair doesn't hold me back.
My hair unleashes all that I am.
All that I am.
All that we are.
And what we are is beautiful.
The healthy hair revolution is here.
And MONAT is redefining hair care once again.
This time for thick, coily, wavy, textured hair.
Introducing MONAT Super Nourish.
A unique oil cream shampoo and conditioner designed to infuse maximum hydration and moisturization and give you ultra-nourished hair.
The Super Nourish Duo is lightweight and washes clean, leaving behind thick hair that's strong, smooth, and shiny.
The Super Nourish Duo from MONAT.
My hair is my essence.
My hair is my force.
My hair is my superpower.